for my faves, you guys. Yes, say faves. Everybody shout faves. Faves. Yes. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Tell her no, you can't swing me. You guys, we're all ready and heading out right now to go to meet and greet in the city, in Central Park, to meet some of you guys. Hopefully at least one person will show up to our meet and greet. I'm so looking forward to this day because you guys has been riding with us for a while. You guys have been with us through thick and thin, and we don't come around here often. And I know quite a few of us live in New York, though I saw messages that you have engagements today and have appointments today. Some have work today and won't be able to show up, but we are ready and we're heading into the city with the family. So hopefully we'll have a good day and just give you guys all the love when we see you all, and we're really looking forward to this day. Come, you can now talk to the faves.
Good morning. Today we are going to go to Central Park, but I don't know what they will to play.
Put on your clothes. Well, when you get there, you will see, right?
I think it's trampoline, Mama.
I don't know, baby. When you get there, you will see, right?
Okay.
Husband.
Hi guys. Well, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. We getting ready. We're about to go. And let's see what's gonna happen today.
Let me guys show you babe outfit. Show you guys babe outfit of the day. And there we go. There we go. Yes, Tyler outfit of the day. Come.
Jungle.
Let's stand here. Let's show them outfit of the day. There we go. Let's show Sarah's outfit of the day. Sarah. Yes, there's a jungle man. That's Sarah in her burgundy and her little leggings and her shoes, and she have her hat to match, and she's gonna go in this when we get into the cold. Just wearing a dress and I have my jacket over it, and I'm wearing a stocking and my shoes, and that's it. Outfit of the day. Alright you guys, we're ready, we're coming, meet and greet. Camera. You guys, we are at our meet and greet spot and the faves already start showing up. What's your name? Tell me what's your name. Tamika, and your username in our comment section is what?
It's 4E Blessed 2 Forever.
Yes, so when you guys see Tamika down in the comment section, show some love. You guys, we're actually here.
Bella's a sweetheart.
Oh,
Tyler's a sweetheart. The whole family is a sweetheart.
Yes. We're actually here sitting outside, and babe and my sister-in-law gone inside to see if we can relocate and do an update to post to see if we can find a spot inside the zoo. Sarah is here chilling. Say hi, mama. And my brother is over there playing bodyguard. I got my personal bodyguard, y'all. Brother playing bodyguard, honey. So we're just here gonna see if some of the faces gonna show up. I think Priscilla is on her way. I'm trying to call her, but I'm not getting her. So we're gonna find a location and then update you guys. But we're here chit-chatting and just chilling. Sarah, huh? Priscilla. So like Priscilla called back.
Hi, baby. Hi, Sarah.
Sarah with the fave.
Hi, Sarah. Checking out.
Sarah's checking you out. Sarah's checking you out real good. Sorry, I'm eating the fave one by one.
You can't be teething already.
Oh, yes, she is. Yes, she is at 3 months. Yep. Another fave is here.
Cool.
Yes.
Hi,
Yes.
Faves.
Yes.
Hi, So I was like, oh my God, I love her family. They're so cool. I need to come get them.
They're rolling up one by one, honey. Priscilla just called me. Another one just called me that she's on her way coming.
Hi, Sarah. She spit up. Watching you. I saw you being born.
Oh.
Yes, oh yes, that too. Yes, right. She posted her birth story. Yeah, man. Awesome. You're awesome. So you're gonna post the picture so I don't have to.
Yes. I'm gonna post them all. She said she just started following us in July.
Yeah.
Cool. Sarah is puking. Puky.
Here in Jamaica, so that's how I found you guys. Yeah.
Yes.
I want to come to meet
My niece and my sister-in-law. Ty, you finished the hot dog? Where is it?
turtle.
It's in the bin? Where's? Oh no!
Yes, she was.
It was an accident? That's okay.
She wasn't, and she just reached out to me, and that was that.
How about you have a snack until we have another hot dog, okay? Okay? Girl!
Look at mommy.
You better make your rounds. Sarah's making her rounds. You're making your rounds, Mama.
You have like a whole family around the world that loves you. Yes, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Come. Yes, okay.
We're here just chit-chatting, you guys. Where's my phone? I need to be... Anika, give you back your phone or I have it? What did she find?
I don't know.
He used to cry every time somebody.
Oh yeah, she's the opposite. Classic second child. Second children usually go to everybody. They don't care. The first baby is like.
Or maybe it's also us, like the first one you want to protect.
The
Yeah,
face are
he makes
here,
sense
you
with that.
guys. Look. 1, 2,
Like, hey girl, oh you
3. Yes. They're showing up one by one, honey. Yes. I'm trying to catch as much pictures. I want to catch some pictures on your phone, please. Oh, good. To check if you see anybody. Yes, I think you should do that.
I don't know.
She's smiling. There's another fave coming. She looked like another fave showing up. I see a Dunkin' Donut bag. I think she's the one I talked to last night. Yes. That's a fave, Tyler. That's a fave, Tyler. Say hello. Oh my gosh. So now you see why I was mixing up, because you guys almost look alike. I was thinking it's her that says about the Dunkins.
Dunkin' Donuts. I didn't bring anything.
That's all. Listen, girl. You coming is enough. You coming is more than enough.
Where do you live? Brooklyn. Oh, see, if the people from Brooklyn never leave Brooklyn.
Yeah, right.
And this is for you. Got an assortment for y'all.
Yeah, that's so nice.
I know, but like all the places you're saying that you wanted to, I was like, let me get some.
When I saw the comment like she's bringing Dunkin', no. Listen, I have a wedding to attend, but the wedding in Jamaica is at the end of the
Oh,
So you're trying to stage Flumen trip?
You look good. Yes.
Great.
That's happening.
the body shape.
Oh my goodness. She has.
Go ahead.
She has. Thank you.
Go, honey, please.
I was like, what's that? A lotion and everything.
Yes.
You have a whole bunch of aunties.
Yes, I said I have dancers around the world.
You have the country. Yes. Where you going? You going on the coast or you going?
Please, please, you go to the zoo after. Oh.
No, come! You gotta be in it. I feel weird. I've never seen your stuff.
Okay. You're here with her. That's okay.
Yes, come, Joy. That's completely okay.
Daddy,
But Tyler is still in the Statue of Liberty energy. Look at his hand.
remember the sea lions? I'm like, Mommy, you never took me to the park. It was only that.
I think they couldn't tell me to tuck in already. Tuck in the stomach, man. I can't breathe. So how long you've been following us?
Since you took me back, I was like in Jamaica.
My Jamaica vlog?
Yeah.
Which
so-
one? Which set?
Actually, the beginning, the first. Oh Lord. Yeah, this is when you. Yeah, this is. Oh Lord, about a year and a half when you first started, because you just moved me. So.
When I just started vlogging?
Yeah.
So you've been a subscriber a long time then?
Yes. Oh Lord, it's been.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. 'Cause I post from Mondays to Fridays. So it's like I have a technique and I have a, you know, I love routine. So I have a routine for everything. I know which day I'm filming, but my off days that I don't film, if I know I'm going on the road and I know this would capture good memories, that I'll film that day and don't film another day. So I have days where I don't film, I have days where I don't edit, but I'm always editing, I'm always filming.
That's what I'm thinking about.
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work.
Oh, way back to when you were in the first apartment.
Yeah? I spot her! Hi, Mel! Oh my god, I was trying to hide you. Yes, you wanted to. You even work on this in person. Look at you! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, your hair looks very nice. Yeah. The clippings, the work. I thought it was real. Everybody thought it was real. Yes, they came. I can't believe you guys came. We had to. How could we not? Look at you. Oh my god. Yes. How is New York? It's good. Yesterday was so cold. Yesterday was hella cold. And I thought today was gonna be cold too, but it's not bad today actually.
I thought it would be worse. But
Yeah?
it's not bad, right?
Yeah. You
I
guys
wore this jacket and I had to
meet
give it
another set of Jamaican YouTubers. Simas and Avery.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's what you guys did. Yeah, that's what.
Yes.
Yes, I think I follow all the Jamaicans.
I know I need to follow.
Listen,
I need to.
they are so much like us in terms of Avery is the sassy one and Simas is the quiet yet sassy one. He doesn't play with the Jamaican music and dancing. Is this another face? Is this another face? Hello. What's your name?
Well, you're gonna see me as dancing, man.
On the comments. Okay, cool.
Jordan.
Ah.
Oh my God, I'm still.
Nice to meet you. And then change. No, I did post the exact way. You didn't see the update?
And then they bought a ticket on my inside.
Oh wow! I posted the exact point last night, and then I went back and changed it this morning because the exact point I posted is just right there. But as I'm saying, it's so close to the street. Avery and Sarah. Is you here she wants?
God, please move because Charlotte already messed me up. She's so small. Please make her be bigger than
Sarah, you meet Auntie. Ty. Ty, you don't remember Auntie Avery? Tyler. Why Tyler in hand? Tyler played rock, paper, scissors. Who, Ty? No, you know? He doesn't actually. He doesn't at all. Look at you! Oh my gosh! Hi guys! Oh, hi. No, hold on. It's the Lit Jam fan or the Jam Lit fan? Which one is it? Which one is it? Goddess Simas, you want to Simas? Listen, you guys are the absolute best. You guys deserve every success on your channel. You guys never seem to amaze me with laughter. You guys hit the nail every time. The pregnancy for 24 hours, I die. I die. What happened? Come here. What is it? Tell me. He who? He? Papa is not carrying you?
Yes, and I want him to carry.
Why you want Papa to carry you? Guys, we're here. Say hi, Everett Simmons. Hi. You guys need to go and follow Everett Simmons on Instagram. Tell them your Instagram handle.
Avery_Simmons.
Yes, if you guys want to laugh, they never fail, I tell you. And on YouTube they are
Avery and Simmons.
yes, you guys.
Thank you so much.
When I said you'll never be disappointed with subscribing to Avery and Simmons, you'll never be. And we're all here at meet and greet, acting a fool as usual.
We literally
Yes, I love it. Another fave is here. Babe, my battery gonna run out, so I'm gonna need a battery soon. Girl, that's okay. She's coming all the way from New Jersey. And her daughter, say hi, and her son. And Tyler is over. Listen, typical Tyler. Look at him. Let me zoom. Typical Tyler. Typical Tyler on the corner playing domino. Typical Ty. Yes, Sarah, yes.
Hey.
Yes, yes, Sarah, pull it off. Pull it out, Sarah, pull it out. Pull it out, Sarah.
5 minutes.
Sarah, you can every. Weird.
No. What am I saying? No. Put the hands in the air, she said.
Sarah, puke on every. Oh. Puke her up, yes, Sarah, puke her up.
That's nice.
Hey.
Not miserable anymore.
Because she's with Mama.
Some people come in and look like
I like how
these must
she went
be
with the
fake.
camera.
Oh, what's my face? In the merch, them. No. She see me already. I'm a auntie, she fussy. She wants to leave. Look at my boys. Tyler, wait. Tyler, who is that? Tyler, who is that right there? Who you been talking about all morning? Who is that?
who's that boy?
That's Rocky. See Rocky there?
Rocky.
Look at my boys. Hi. So this is Miv, right? Yes. Hi. Oh my God, she's so tall. Look how tall. Auntie P babies. Oh my gosh. Priscilla and our babies come out in the merch, honey. Yes. Wine Simas. Come, let's say wine Simas. Wine. Yeah. Come Simas, man. Come Simas. Weird. Come here. Let me see. Listen, I have been begging my husband to dance for years and he doesn't. So hold on. So if Babe and Luda go dance, I mean me ever if dance too. Yes. Watch out. Oh my God! Hilarious. Simas, where is my phone? Honey, where's my phone?
I have a loud phone.
Babe, where's my phone?
Why is she playing Martin?
I can't believe you come all the way from Jersey. Oh my gosh.
I wish you could hold this in your hand. No.
Why not?
No.
You know why not?
No.
No. Shy. Come here every other dance off. Hold my phone. Let me stretch.
She's gonna play it from the phone so you guys can hear it.
Also, this is postpartum versus young girl.
Let's go.
This is it, man.
Yeah, it was not. She's hiding. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now for the men.
Here, Tyler can go.
That's all you gonna get, the running back.
This we call this the Usain Bolts. Wait, but I thought the men were gonna dance.
Didn't have a kid just stop it, thanks to the body shaper. Ducking everything.
That's why you can't breathe. Oh my gosh.
That was fun. This is the latest meet and greet. I had to throw in the dancing since Avery and Simmons love to dance so much. It's only right, right? Yes.
Alright, so you know why?
Yeah? Why?
Because I won.
You won. Yeah. I want somebody to take a picture of all of them. Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, you see foot. You see foot. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch your foot now. Watch your foot.
I want you two in the middle and me and Gulu go just I want you.
Yeah, you can go on. Go on.
We're gonna do this for
Watch out. See,
When the shirt come off and
watch, yeah, come Simas. Yeah, alone can be what music for Simas?
Ready.
what do you guys want to
They look nice, don't? Yes, stay positive. Yes. Yeah, they come in all different colors. Any colors you want.
It's supposed to be 3 different colors. To all of us, they send 2 pinkies so we still will represent.
Then the must, ma'am. Then the must. Hey. Anika, Priscilla babies. Oh, you're not ugly.
Come, Luda.
Babe, go on now, babe. Yes. Anika, moment of the century. Babe, watch Avery. Move like Avery, babe. Move. Look what Avery doing, babe. Look now, babe. Head move. Yeah.
Alright, good try. No, like good
Well done. Avery get my husband for dance and me can't get him for dance. No, sir. Okay, you can go on. Yeah, go around, go, do it.
Papa.
Okay, do it now.
You are I want you and Papa to do a hug, and then me
You
and
want me?
I want you.
All right, go on.
And when I got for you, say no.
No, no, Tyler, no. Okay, I got all my faves, you guys. Yes, say faves. Everybody shout faves. Faves. Yes. Dinner with the fam.
Ah oui, là c'est le tronc d'arbre, il est comme ça. Et là, il y a les deux trucs comme ça.
Meet and greet was amazing, huge. Anika, meet and greet was huge. Huge. Look at my sexy. What's that? Turn around. My sister is so shy. Yes. You guys, meet and greet was everything. At least 15 people came out and everybody, we had so much fun. We also met Avery and Simas from Avery and Simas channel. If you guys don't follow Avery and Simas, you guys should go ahead and follow them on both Instagram at Avery and Simas and on YouTube at Avery and Simas. We are now in the city exploring. We are about to pass the Apple Store, which is right here. And we're in the city of lights, I guess. It's like we're in Paris, we're at home. So yeah, we're just strolling down the city. Yes, baby?
Yeah, the headquarters is in California.
Watch me. Yeah. And he can hear the African music because of.
I know. You can see the headquarters, like they make it
Hey, go there, Watch my brother. Huh? What time? What?
Come on, let's
At Jimmy and Sarah is here, sleeping in her unicorn outfit. Every time, the city of huge buildings. I can walk with my head up like this to see all the buildings. I'm happy I didn't go home, Anika. I'm happy I finally came. Yes, babe? I can't hear you. Hold on. Huh?
I'm happy you're here too. I was so happy. And second, the city never sleeps.
The city that never sleeps. So we ain't gonna sleep. It's our last day of adventures before we head to Jamaica. So we are enjoying the last day, and the last stop is going to be Times Square. So we are walking to Times Square right now and just enjoying all the lights going down Fifth Avenue. So we just want to say thank you to everybody that came out to meet and greet. They bring us gifts and we had so much fun. We had dancing, we chat, we laugh, and we just catch up and got to know each of the subscribers that came. We took pictures and I'll try to insert some of the pictures into this vlog so you guys can get acquainted with some of our oh, I'm at the Trump Tower. Let me pause. It's huge.
It's gonna be huge.
I'm at the famous Trump Tower, y'all.
It's huge.
Huge. Huge.
You can
No. Wait, I need a picture. What church is this?
she says St. Peter's Cathedral.
St. Peter's Cathedral. It is so beautiful. My gosh, and it's smack in the middle of the city like this. It's so pretty. Rockefeller Center. Why is it called Rockefeller Center? What is in there? Only businesses? Yeah. Okay. You guys, we just reached Times Square and Lord, honey, the crowd, shawty. Jeez. Going through Times Square, the crowd.
You want
You want me to push her so you can eat? Oh, it's chaotic, man. It's a lot of people. Jeez. Tick, 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 tick. So much people. Oh yeah? Those strollers don't stand a chance. Commercials everywhere. Jordan Sparks over there. I'll show you the other side. Times Square.
When they go to get tickets for Broadway shows too, like the whole price ticket.
Just got close to Tyler Steve. Just make Tyler scene, that's it. On the next side, Ty, look, see him there. Tyler's Spider-Man. Alright, come now.
Where are we gonna go?
What? Yeah. Come on. Yeah, something nice, okay?
Take the phone. Hold on. Then you have to go give them more. Tyler, show the Spider-Man sign. Look where you're going.